So we've just got Canon's newly released EOS R. This is a mirrorless camera with that familiar Canon feel. In the box we get some documentation, the battery charger, the battery itself, a power cable, a USB-C to USB-C cable, the lens adapter pouch with the lens adapter inside, a camera strap, and of course the EOS R body itself. And there's some cool new features here. We get that flip screen, the lens now comes with an additional ring that you can customize for different settings, and we get this new touch slider button for quickly changing shooting settings. We had a quick play with this camera and it produces some very clear images, nice bokeh, and in usual Canon fashion, very good colors. We mostly played with the video functions, but it also produces very good looking photos. So that was a quick unboxing. We're going to keep playing around with it and we'll let you know how it performs. Of course, you can check these units out yourself either in-store or online at pbtech.co.nz. I'm Eli from PBTech. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Kelly's brand through the